I missed you guys. Let's just get started. Your girl's going out tonight, so I'm going to do my skincare, I'm going to do my makeup. So today is the hottest day of 2022 so far in the UK. It literally went over 30 degrees. And the thing is, 30 degrees anywhere else is lovely. 30 degrees in London, not for me. So today I've literally been sweating my ass off, and I need to do some makeup which is going to stay on my face not just for several hours in this heat, but while going out. So I'm not quite sure how that's going to work, but by the way, I am going to link all the products that I am using down below, and if you're not subscribed, then please do subscribe. Enough said. So, how are we all? How much are we missing Emma Chamberlain? Because the way I miss that girl is not okay. My life has been so hectic lately. Sometimes I just want to sit down with you guys and just spend time with you. Like one day, can we just do like a, not even like a meetup, just literally go for brunch or something. We are going for the bad bitch energy in 2022. Honestly, this year, I feel like I am just going for anything. I'm walking into every room pretending that I'm the most confident person on the freaking planet, and I'm talking to everybody, I'm saying hello to anybody I want. Like, 2022 is my year of confidence. So for today's makeup look, we are going to be going for something very kind of classic. I'm thinking glowy skin, blush, winged eyeliner maybe. I never used to be a winged eyeliner type of person, and recently I've been really loving wings. Knowing me, I'm gonna go overboard, but I have to kind of hold myself back today just because it is so hot. Wish that you guys could feel a sensation through the screen. This is magical. Oops. So I'm obviously going to start with brows as I always do, and I'm using the NYX brow glue. If you guys know me, you will know that I get sent quite a lot of makeup. And so that means that I don't really buy makeup myself very often. But this product is one which I have gone out and bought over and over again because it is such good value and it just does the job. Right, don't hate me, but I did just go and do my brows. I apologise, I just cannot do brows on camera, like I always mess them up. But what is classic is that my brows came out pretty much perfect how I like them today. Which, believe you me, is actually not a very common occurrence. But anyway, let's go in with skin. SPF. This is my favourite SPF of all time. This is the Super Goop Glow Screen. They have a couple of different like consistencies if you're someone who likes like kind of sheer, like, what's the word, clear, I guess, sunscreen, or if you're someone like me who like a glowy base. But just please make sure you're using SPF, whether it is 30 degrees, 10 degrees, minus 10 degrees. You will be amazed at how much the sun can actually affect your skin. So I may have just realised that I need to leave in an hour, and I have no idea what I'm wearing. By the way, now I'm of course using the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. You guys already saw it coming. And I think I'm actually going to mix it with my foundation, which I don't normally do. But I feel like because it's so hot today, how many times am I going to say that in this video? I want to go for as like light of a kind of base as I can. Now using the Wet n Wild foundation. Now using the Wet n Wild foundation. Actually, genuinely one of the best foundations I've ever used. And this shade is perfect for me at the minute. It's like the perfect match. And this is the shade Soft Beige. So it turns out we're actually going to go for dinner before we go out. And we're going to a sushi restaurant. So your girl is very happy. I have to confess, I have been to Sticks and Sushi twice in 2 days, and I'm about to go to another sushi restaurant, and I could not be happier about it. Because I don't want this makeup to go anywhere, I'm actually going to spray some setting spray in between stages. So now I'm going to use the Kat Von D Good Apple Concealer. This is in the shade Light 109. Am I the only person who freaking loves doing makeup? But then as soon as it's on my face, I'm like, I'm over this now. Like, I'm pretty sure I would be happier doing this makeup look and then taking it off just before I left. Also, on the down low, I don't really know what the vibe of tonight is, because obviously we're going for dinner, so I can't really go all out. Like for dinner, I'd normally wear something kind of cute and summery, but then for going out clubbing, I want to wear something a bit spicy. You know what? I was about to reach for the classic cream bronzer that I always go for, but maybe I should try doing powder bronzer today, because you already saw it coming. It is so hot. Quite brave to be trying a completely new bronzer on a day when I do have to leave the house, and in fact, I don't think I like it. No, I don't like it. I'm going to try the brand new Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I've tried this once or twice before, and I have to say I was a little underwhelmed. Given it's Charlotte Tilbury and I am an absolute lover of Charlotte Tilbury, I just found this a bit too natural. Like, do you see what I mean? I'm taking this product on the brush and it's not really doing very much. Maybe I'm just used to kind of whacking on products. This is probably one that's a bit better for people who like kind of more natural makeup. But I don't know, I'm really having to layer this up to get anywhere. Okay, I can't lie, you can see it more in the camera than you can in real life. And to be fair, now that it's actually like on my face, it has blended really nicely. Blush, of course, Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is literally my second one of these because I've hit pan on my first one. And now let's set the face. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty setting powder in Cupcake. This is one of her new ones, which has a slightly like pink kind of undertone. I don't know if you guys saw that trend that got really big on TikTok about doing like pink concealer under your eyes. I can't lie, I wasn't a massive fan of it, but when I use this setting powder, I do really like the effect that it has under my eyes. I'm just going to take a little puff and press it in. Normally I would do this with a brush, but I just need this makeup not to budge anywhere for the next however many hours. I'm also going to set like my whole face, which I never normally do, but today it is needed. It's making me look dirty. I really don't know if I like this bronzer, guys. It's too late now. Right, let's move on to eyeshadow. For this, I'm literally just going to use like a mixture of my blush and my bronzer because I want a very, very natural eye look. But I also want it to be kind of like peachy and summery. Why do I feel like I'm going to want to take all this makeup off and literally start over? I just don't like how the skin makeup is turning out. In all honesty, I don't really have any other option. I am going to go and do this off camera because I know that if I try to do this on camera, I will mess it up. Do you ever do your makeup and really genuinely cannot tell if you love it or hate it? That is how I'm feeling today. I mean, I don't really have any other option than to just keep going with it and pray. But I definitely don't feel like it's the best look I've ever done. I really feel like with this look, the lashes could either make it or break it. So pray for me and let's see. I'm saying break, personally. Now what do I do? Fully, now what do I do? Because I do not like this makeup. Do I try and fix it and make it better? That actually looks pretty nice. But now I just feel like I'm going overboard for dinner. This video is literally just me overthinking things for, I don't know, 15 minutes straight. I don't know what to do. At this point, all I can really do is just keep going. Do you want to know the most annoying part? Is I can't actually tell which part of the makeup it is that I don't like. Like, I can't really tell if it's the skin, if it's the eyes, the lashes. Maybe if I just cleaned up around here a little bit. There wasn't quite so much bronzer. Maybe that's a bit better. I can't lie, I have no clue what to do with my hair either, because it's just so hot. Like, I feel like it needs to be slicked back in some way. Should we maybe do just a slick ponytail? I think that'll work. Also, I got this serum the other day, which is from vKMUV, which is a brand I hadn't actually heard of before I looked it up on Twitter. And when I tell you that the reviews of this stuff are crazy, people seem to just love it. It's meant to be like a hair growth kind of serum. And you put it on your scalp, either when your hair is wet or when it's dry. And it's just meant to like make your hair grow super thick and fast. So given I'm slicking my hair back, I may as well just try putting a bit of this in. I think this is about $55, which is an awful lot for something this size. We shall have to see. Oh, when your hair has been down all day and you finally put it up on a hot day, it is the best feeling ever. And as I say, I have no clue what I'm wearing, so we will have to figure that out next. And now, are you ready for the most satisfying part of this entire hair routine? This is a product that I got sent in PR a few days ago. It's called the Slick Stick. And it's basically meant for slicking back your hair when you're doing hairstyles like this. So I have always used a brow gel, which not only kind of ruins your hair because it makes it all clumpy and kind of stick together. But also the applicator thing gets stuck in your hair when you're brushing it through, whereas this is just so smooth. Look at that. Again, this was a gifted product, so this isn't like an ad or anything, but I am so impressed, and when I run out of this, which I 100% will do, I will be purchasing another one. Literally game changing. So I just realized I have completely forgotten to do highlight, and I am going to try this highlight hack that I saw on TikTok today, which is where you bring your highlight like all the way up to kind of underneath your winged liner like that. Ooh, that actually does look kind of good, you know. So you kind of do like an elongated C shape there. I can get behind that. Final spritz of setting spray. I keep thinking I'm done and then deciding I'm not done. I want to add some fake freckles. Just a couple, very, very subtle around the nose. Okay, pals, here is the completed look. What do we think? I'm still not convinced, but in all honesty, I have 15 minutes until I need to leave, so I'm kind of just gonna have to go with it. I think I want different earrings. I have a pair of earrings which would be absolutely perfect. They're like little gold hoops with blue butterflies on, so they look just like this, but they're in blue. But if I'm being honest, I haven't seen them in literally months. Do I have some really dangly ones in here? I do! Oh my goodness, these are really cute. So my mum made these. I don't know how well they're gonna go with the outfit. We'll have to try them and see. But I feel like the studs are just a bit like everyday and boring. So what do we think? I'm still getting used to seeing myself with earrings, you know. I mean, I've had them pierced for like 3 years. No, okay, that is a complete lie. I've had them pierced for about 2 years. But they still feel like very odd on me, and I don't really know why. I have no idea if this necklace is going to go because I've obviously already got 2 on, but I want to try it just in case. You know what? I think I'm going to take off the Vivienne Westwood one because I feel like that is slightly odd with this outfit. I'm going to take off Vivienne Westwood and keep on the other one. I won't lie to you, I'm still not 100% sold on this makeup. Like, I just feel like it's a bit too much. Like the skin, the lips and the eyes all being kind of full glam. I'm probably just going to take like a small handbag with me, maybe this black one. Small black handbag featuring my lovely washing in the background. Anyway, pals, for the first time literally I think ever, I am going to be leaving on time because I need to leave in 5 minutes. But thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. Honestly, I really appreciate every single view that I get on my YouTube because it takes dedication to watch a whole YouTube video through, okay? But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then make sure you're subscribed, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye!